So my girl said they had an argument and, some type of disagreement between themselves. And she told her that she should mind her business. Um, that's it, nothing more.
Well, you wouldn't blame the police for taking her statement. I mean, in a situation like this, she's the prime suspect.
Well, I want to believe the police are doing their jobs and very soon they'll give us a reply.
I don't understand this country anymore. Nobody is safe. And the craziest part is, these kidnappers are not even asking for ransom. What do I do?
Bro, um, can I ask you a question?
Shoot.
What makes you think she was kidnapped? What makes you think she's not in one of these countries, chilling, on vacation, enjoying herself? Have you thought about that?
Come on, Collins. Talk like the intelligent guy I know you to be. How can she go on vacation and then turn off her phone? I mean, at this age, she should be taking pictures and posting on Instagram and other social media.
Well, Lincoln, you have a point. But like I rightly said, let's give the police some time. I'm sure they would come back to us with a positive reply.
Honestly, I really hope so.
Listen, I know you've been worried about this entire situation, but you need to calm down, okay? I strongly believe that everything will be fine.
I hope so. You see, if these guys were even asking for money, you know me now, how much would they ask for? I'll pay it. I'm confused, Collins.
I know. That's why I've been begging you to calm down. Just relax. Let's hear from the police, all right?
Why are you here? I hope my captive is exactly where I placed her. Starving slowly to death as anticipated.
Oh, you're a smart lady, but I've got an information for you.
What could that be?
One of my guys called me. Someone is trying to set you up with the financial crime department.
Are you sure about this?
These guys are well connected in the corridors of power. They are the bad guys doing deadly things for the power brokers. Once they say the system is gauging in on someone, that person should be very careful.
I am not sure anyone has evidences against me. But then again, I will look into it, make my findings, and know what to do. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. I'll take my leave.
Be sure no one sees you.
As usual.
On a second thought, you will have to stay right there because I will leave with you.
The instruction was to leave you here without food, no water, and watch you starve to death. But because I like you, I've been giving you food. At least you should be happy. Be thankful.
Let me go, please. I promise to give you double of what she's giving to you, please.
How sure?
I have lots of...
What the hell
Mama.
is going on?
Nothing.
Why
Good job.
are your eyes still open and bright and clear like they are? Huh?
Can you please let me go?
That is never going to happen. Adrian, you left your miserable business and decided to make me your business. Huh? Have I ever interfered in your miserable business? Huh? You never learn. You have no business. You are a fraudster, a scam artist. You are a virus in the system. And I have no regrets whatsoever to stop you. Adrian. You see? One thing I will never do is interfere in your miserable business. Why do you choose to tow this direction? You wanted to tame me and teach me a lesson. But I tell you something. Anyone, I mean just anyone who would make me their business will in turn become mine. You heartless. Is that why you killed Joe? Oh, he jilted. He is an idiot. You know, I am very big on loyalty. And he took loyalty for granted. He stabbed me at the back. He decided to compromise and betray me. So he paid for it. And you, my darling, since you have decided to make me your business,
What's going on, detective? She hasn't been found yet.
We are still carrying out an investigation. But we found out that her doctors are not concerned about the money. Maybe they are keeping her to punish her for something.
What do we do? I mean, who are these evil men?
Their face I don't know yet. But I promise you, we will mask them. But one thing is sure, she's still alive. If not, her lifeless body would have been found by now.
God forbid. Detective, please, you and your men will do everything within your power to make sure you bring her back in one piece. Please.
Of course, we'll do that. We are trying our best. But if something comes up, we'll call for attention. But I promise you, we'll find her. We must find her.
Please, I would really appreciate that.
It's okay.
Huh?
It's okay.
Please. I'll drop you at the office.
Oh, that's nice of you.
What? Me?
The Economic and Financial Crime Department has uncovered the brain behind the Better Niger investment. It is said that the popular female entrepreneur by name Vania James is behind the scam. This investment platform has duped over thousands of innocent citizens, and as some film industry reports, none of them has recovered their money yet. The department has promised to be on top of this and also put the criminals to book. They have also urged the people to remain calm and to avoid all these unauthorized online platforms, especially fintech services.
Jesus! How am I going to get myself out of this? No.
Mama, I have perfected plans. By the deadly hour of this night, I will take the car to another city and abandon it there.
That is something that you should have done a long time ago. Why did you bring the car here in the first place?
Mama, we didn't actually kidnap her with the car. It was later I went back and brought the car because if the car was left there, the police will think she was abducted. So bringing the car here is a strategy to take the police mind off.
Forget about the car. What information have you got?
Our captive is the one with the information, but unfortunately before we brought her here, she's already mentioned it to her friend. So I think her friend is the one who opened up to the authority.
I hope it's not Doris.
That's her name. What do you think?
The lady Vanny. The lady Vanny. The lady Vanny. Oh, hey, she said dangerous karma, and she don't wanna change. Oh, people getting duped every day. Large number of people lose their money.
Something tells me that you're beginning to have feelings for that useless girl in our custody. Kill it, or I'll pull some bullets in your skull.
Baba, you the cab. You're supposed to be young, you the cab. Like this, I see they try to understand why that girl would die for her hand. Eh? The girl don't do me any wrong now. What did they solve? If you do anyhow, I will use money to scatter your brain. What did they solve now?
You've made money.
Doesn't not do anything. Won't buy him. Why?
Bullet march.
So what's happening?
Bullet march.
Who are you and what are you doing in my compound?
Envania James. I am Detective Stanley from the Economic and Financial Crime Department. You are under arrest.
You know me? I'm sorry. Can we please go inside and find a common ground to settle this amicably so that no one gets arrested? Come.
Madam, please cooperate with me. You are under arrest. For your best interest, please.
Officer. Sir. Please, you can't do this to me. Look, I'm traveling. I actually have a flight to catch. Can we just reschedule this meeting to another time? Oh.
So you are about to escape to another country? You cannot run away from the law. You are under arrest.
Babe. Yeah. Thank you for all the effort you put out there. You didn't even deny knowing me. I didn't know you had such connections.
Babe, that's not important. What's more important is I need you to tell me the truth. Why did you get involved in crime or fraud? Listen to me. You got released because my boss got involved. But the investigation is ongoing. And trust me, they're coming back to rearrest you once they're done. So I need you to tell me the truth and nothing but the truth.
Babe, this whole thing is complicated.
How complicated?
Someone who doesn't like me, someone who doesn't want to see me progress is behind all of this. I know absolutely nothing about what they're labeling me with.
Babe, your entire explanation won't fly for me. you need to tell me the truth. Like I said, investigation is ongoing. And they're coming back to arrest you again if you don't tell me what's really happening. Besides, I spoke to the security agents in charge of crime, and they told me everything in confidence. And I strongly believe there's something you're not telling me. So why don't you tell me the truth? Because of the love I have for you. We both know I came back here because I still love you.
Babe, I am really tired and I need to go in and rest now.
Oh.
Not to worry. In less than no time, they will prove my innocence. And then you will see that I was not guilty. All right?
All right, if you insist, I'll take my leave. But don't say I didn't warn you.
Thank you once again.
All right.
Babe? Babe? I don't know why all the contacts I have are not working. They are not even picking my calls. I will have to get this stupid girl Doris. She and her friend will have to pay for the damages they have caused me. Just the way Joe paid for it. You have to keep smiling, baby girl. Except you want me to kill you and dump your body in the nearest lagoon.
Lady Vanya, what have I done to you? So you're the one behind this?
You fail to shut up. You'll be dead already by the time we get to where we're going.
Oh my God! Adrian!
Keep quiet, keep quiet!
Sorry! Adrian! So this is where you've been all this while. Oh.
Shut up.
Swallow it.
Shut up. Both of you left your rickety businesses to make me your business. So I have decided to leave every other thing, put everything aside, and make you my business. So you all have to bear the consequences.
It's the devil's work. It's the...
Shut up! Shut up!
Nice job, Skipper.
Just mama like always.
Nice job. So here's the thing. 3 things are involved. It is either you die first, or she dies before you. Better still, both of you will die simultaneously.
Auntie, please. Auntie, please. Auntie,
Shut your mouth! Until what? Shut up. Shut up.
I pop champagne, I can't get back. I bounce in the safe from me dead much. I love Mary Jane, I love it. Who the fuck is knocking on my door? I'm a bad flow, I'm on the stand flow. Got with the microphone, and got a break it because I'm sitting with the bone.
Where is your colleague? Where's your colleague?
That bastard compromised the whole situation. He was giving her food and water, and that's why she's still alive.
That idiot jilted me. gave you food and water and asked you to survive and
What you want me to do? What you want me to do?
I did.
What's popping?
Drop your weapon! Drop your weapon!
Hey, no! God damn it, man.
Take the gun to me. Both of you are under arrest.
Please.
You alright? Your hands on your head. Move!
God damn it! God damn it!
I'm not okay. Move. My hands.
Do something silly. It's over.
Move. You should have let her be. Eh? You could have lost your life, you know. Don't do that again. Look at the risk you took.
Auntie, I'm here now. God sanctioned what I did. I heard that the authorities confiscated all her properties earlier hours of today.
Good. That serves her right. You know, one needs to be very careful, especially with the kind of company one keeps these days. People are dangerous. They are heartless. What's her name? Doris, how is she?
She's recovering.
Oh, thank God.
She'll be fine.
I'll check up on her on my way going.
Okay. Look who we have here.
Hello. How are you doing today,
I'm
Nanda?
fine. And you?
I'm good. I'm well. Oh, good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm fine. I was about telling her I need to see you. Honestly, I need to thank you for your effort in making sure she's been rescued from those bastards of a kidnapper.
Yeah.
Appreciate.
You're welcome, Ma. Ma, you don't even need to mention it. I owe her that and even more.
Thank you.
Honestly, you tried. I appreciate you so much. Thank you. I was even about going before you stepped in.
Until you're leaving?
I'm leaving. What do you want me to do? What do you expect me to do? You both should enjoy yourself, or you want me to be jealous?
Okay, let me see you.
No, don't worry. It's just a few steps to my car. I can walk myself. Don't worry, I'll call you, okay?
All
We'll
right.
talk on chat.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
My dear. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Enjoy yourself.
How are you?
I'm blessed. I mean, seeing your beautiful face makes me better.
You have your ways with words.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, you have no idea what happened on my way to this place.
What happened?
You want to hear it?
Yeah.
I saw the news.
What news?
You are so-called idol. Lady Vania is having case with the Financial Crime Department and other criminal cases, including murder charge.
Lopez, please. I beg you, first off, she's not my idol. She's not my godmother, so don't tag me to that lady. For her to make me lose my Instagram followers, and afterwards my page got disabled because of her. As we speak, we're not even in talking to him, so I don't have any business whatsoever to do with her, please.
That lady may not be able to pay for the crime she committed.
Are you serious?
Yes. Her file with the Financial Crime Department is full with crimes that can be fetching her 10 years each.
10 years?
Yes.
Is that a way of saying that she may spend up to 20 years in jail?
That lady will spend the rest of her life in prison. She killed someone and even attempted to kill another two. Look, let me tell you, anyone who kills someone must not live.
You see? Her desire to live a life full of fake is the reason she's where she is today. She's so selfish, self-centered, always thinking about herself.
My dear, there is no need for you to be panicking. I am taking you to a cool environment where we'll be discussing about us.
Hold on. When you say discussing about us,
yes,
what do you mean? Us how?
My dear, a vacuum has been created and we must capitalize on that to correct our mistakes. Okay? That's all.
Okay, so there is a vacuum now for us to...
Yes, my dear.
Okay, let's see how that goes.
Good. That lady is a very wicked woman.
I don't want to even talk about her anymore. And please don't bring her topic, I beg.
Who is that?
Me, oh. Good afternoon, sir. So you know first.
Who is the fine?
My name is Obele, popularly known as Mr. Mississippi.
Your name is Obele?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I was given this letter here, this address, this landlord. Landlord, I was asked that landlord invited me to come to this address. No vessel.
Okay, you are in the right place.
Oh.
What's going on there?
Ha ha! Collins said, hey! Okay, madam. Collins. Are you one of the agents? Please. I don't know why the landlord asked me to come here. You understand?
Okay, this man here said he wants to see you, sir.
Let him in.
Okay, sir.
Oga. Don't be offended though. Are you the landlord? I mean, are you the landlord that owns that big complex where I rented a shop?
Mr. Mississippi.
Sir. Sir?
I can see you're very surprised, right? Oh yeah, my agent told me about the new tenants, so I deliberately asked them to send you over.
Jesus. Hey. This world is a small place.
Dangerous karma, and she don't even want to change. The lady Venia, the lady Venia, the lady Venia. Oh, hey, she's a dangerous karma, and she don't wanna change. Oh, people getting duped every day. Large number of people lose their money every day. Yeah, she's getting rich every day. Why the scam victims keep on crying? She can do anything for the money, even shoot somebody down for the money. This lady is...
Hi, bro.
Jesus.
How are you, bro?
Hi, bro. What do you mean, hi, bro? Oh, you are here. Drinking cornflakes and milk to recover from the one you wasted on my sister. Okay? Wait, oh. You actually slept over. Ha! God. Is you alive? A man who is a man will just come to a woman's house and spend the night. Bia, Collins, organic apology. Let me ask you, assuming you die here, what do you think will be the news?
Are you praying for me to die, bro?
Thunder fire, you idiot! You're a fool to think that I will be praying for a beast like you, who is feeding fat on my sister. Yeah? How in this world do you think that I will be praying for an idiot who is eating? Now so my sister, eating my sister right under my nose. You think I'm too much? Okay, if you eat that nonsense again, yeah, so there you vomit it, idiot. Now this, okay, if you try it, make alone. If you try it, listen, let me tell you. You see this money that I'm planning to make this morning. If I find, hey, I'm talking to you. Listen to me. Email, if you turn this thing again, walk around. Don't provoke me. I am very angry right now. Listen, if you see this money that I'm planning to make, if I finally make this money, all the women in a pursuit are in trouble.
How do you mean, bro?
I mean to tell you that whatever, all this nonsense that you've done to my sister, I will revenge. I will. You think I will forget about it just like that? You think? I would. You see all those women, all those girls, peanut girls, especially those in your family. I would deal with them. After eating them deep, I will go and drink coca oat just like you're doing now. I will drink coca oat, I will drink more milk, and I will cook my friend. Don't try it again. Don't drink this nonsense. If you try it, I will kill you here. And then whatever the news will be, I will stand it. Idiot! I'm telling you, you're busy drinking to go and come. Thank God I'm here. No more. It is not going to happen again. I'm here. Hey. God, please. Hey, sir, please, I am sorry. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Forgive me for all the nonsense that I've said to you before. You see, that has been my problem all these years. I say a lot of nonsense, and at the end of the day, all the nonsense will fall back to me, and then will be hurting me. I don't know. This is village people, oh. Village people has finished me. I don't even know when I said all those things. I'm so sorry, please.
Who's the idiot now?
I'm the idiot now. Village people, oh. This is from village. I don't even know when I said those things that I said to you, Jesus, Chineke. Please forgive me, sir.
Look at you. Look at where you ended up. I pleaded with you severally to tell me the truth, but you denied. Do you have an idea what it actually means to murder someone?
What everyone is doing now is judge me. You all can judge me for all I care. I chose this path and I will walk in it alone.
Have you always been this cruel, stone-hearted? Or is it something you picked on the way due to pressure?
You are making very wild statement. And the more you open your mouth to speak, the more it dawns on me that you really do not know me.
My point exactly. I don't know you. Who are you? I have tried severally to figure you out, but all my effort has proven abortive.
You cannot know me, for I am not wired in your kind of cable. Listen, you will leave here and never return with this pity party of yours.
Babe, you're very, very wrong. Totally wrong. Do you think you're in this alone? Do you? I don't think so. Have you thought about the people you have hurt? The people who really care about you? The people who really love you? Have you thought about them?
Like I said, I chose this path and I will walk in it alone and bear all of the consequences that comes with it. I want you to leave and never return with this pity party game of yours. I like to be left alone.
Alright then. I wish you good luck. Who's the idiot now?
I'm the idiot. I'm the idiot.
Good. Get up.
Sir.
Get up.
Oh, thank you so much. God bless you, sir. God bless you, sir. Father, sir, you will never lack any good thing. Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. In fact, I will draw all the threats that I've threatened you before. All those nonsense that I've been saying that all the women of Opazona, mainly from your family, I will draw. When did I even say those nonsense? I'm sorry. I will do those threats. It will never happen again. In fact, sir, hey, they could call it landlord. Hey, see, sir, once I leave here, I will travel back to my sister's house and then I will force her to be quick. In fact, to be ready. In fact, to come here. You are the most qualified to marry my sister. Yes, you are the most qualified. All those nonsense, Lopez is an idiot. I'm telling you that you are the best. Hey.
So, you like me for your sister now?
Yes, sir. Oh. Yes, sir. You are the best.
I see that.
Hey.
But unfortunately, I don't need your sister anymore.
Why? No. Are both of you separated? Forget it. As far as I'm concerned right now, sir, I'll go there and reconcile the both of you. I'll force her. If she does anything, I will do. She said it. Sorry.
Mr. Mississippi, there's no point to do that. Because I don't want to spend the rest of my life with a fraudster.
A fraudster?
Yeah.
My sister?
Yeah. She's been arrested. She's in police custody.
For what? Well, I am not surprised. Yes, because I have warned her severely, but she will not listen. So, come on, somebody.
Mr. Mississippi.
Sir?
I can clearly see you moved on with your life.
Yes.
And you have no idea what your sister has been up to.
I decided to move because every time insult, every day insult, every week, I just, God help me.
You see, the point is, fraud isn't the only thing she committed. She killed someone. She committed murder. Jesus. And the long arms of the law has caught up with her.
Chelo, my sister, V, killed somebody.
Yeah.
I can tell you well now. V killed somebody.
Mr. Mississippi.
Sir?
You look very hungry. Would you like to eat some food?
Well, yes, I am hungry. No.
What? Why are you staring at me like that? I hope you enjoyed your meal.
It was absolutely amazing.
Yes, I owe you an apology on how I treated you in the past. Honestly, I admire your patience and your efforts while I was kidnapped. I'm sorry.
It's okay, my love. You see, something in me kept asking me to wait for you. And because I had a perfect understanding of where your withdrawal was coming from. I knew you needed time to heal. And giving you that time was the least I could do for love.
You say the nicest of things.
All for you, my baby.
Oh my goodness, please stop.
By the way, the meal was so delicious.
Mildred knows how to cook.
Mm-hmm.
So you want wine?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let me get you.
You want to get it or don't worry, let me get it. I'll get it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. Wow. It's not like that, my idiot sister. Who has nothing. She has nothing. Still living in a rented apartment. Deceiving everyone with fake life. She's a nice man. If not, I would have been in jail. Look at him. He will come to me. Probably for me and I. He might tell the agent or it's whatever to return my money that I used in renting his shop. He's a good man.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir.
Sit down, please. Are you enjoying your food?
Well. The food is delicious.
Oh, listen, there's more where this came from.
Are you serious?
In case you want some more.
Okay. No, I don't want some more. No. You know, I now live alone. And most times I don't cook. So now, you say there's more, Abi?
Yes.
That more, I will take it away. They should give me a takeaway. So that
That's all right. My wife will come say hello to you shortly.
Your wife?
Yes.
Are you sure? You are not married?
Of course I'm married. Happily married. And I'm very excited. I'm grateful to God that I didn't end up with your sister. Yeah. Because it would have been very disastrous for me. Yeah.
Jesus. Sir, I am so sorry, please. So sorry for all the things that I've said to you. All those nonsense. You're a good man. Yeah? If not, you would have just thrown me inside the jail. But you are a good man. Look at you, give me food. I'm so sorry for all those nonsense that I said that all the women of Amazon was saying rubbish. Please forgive me, sir.
Please sit down.
Thank you, sir. Nah, this life, my sister is an idiot. Seriously. She just be misbehaving, behaving as if she owns everything. In fact, let me tell you, that girl is an idiot. Forget it. You see all those nonsense that she answered, Vanny. My sister's name is not Vanny. Her name is Sobageli. What is Vanny? She just came into the city, then started living all this nonsense fake life. From there, changed her name to Vanny.
Drink some.
Thank you, sir. So this, what's the name of the juice? It's really going down.
Orange juice.
Orange juice. Yeah. There's more from where this one came from.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, sir. Please allow me to have this one as takeaway also.
No problems.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Thank you,
about the rent.
The rent?
Yeah.
Hey.
I'll ask the agents to return the money to you.
What is going on? Is there a celebration here? What's going on? What?
What is this? What are you doing?
I know I'm not the best. But please do me the honor of being your man. And I promise to do nothing contrary to making you happy. Every moment we spend together will be blissful. I want forever with you. Please marry me.
I need to.
You two are aware of this?
Yeah, baby. I know you got the best training. So, come on, say yes. Don't keep the gentleman waiting.
Say yes.
Say yes.
Say yes. Say yes. Say yes. Say yes. Say yes.
Come on, say yes.
Come on.
Okay.
Relax.
Okay. I can think of a better person. Your patience and understanding is second to none. And I am convinced within myself that you're the one for me. So yes, I will marry you.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you and I promise.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Please stand up. Please stand up. Thank you.
Finally.
Girl, you did a good job. I know. Thank you guys.
She really tried.
Thank you, guys.
She's in your
I really
happy now.
appreciate
I am happy.
You're happy now.
I am happy.
She's indeed a Wow. My friend is getting married.
You see my visit. Wow.
I will tie my dress. Don't tie me so hard. And I will be the chief bride.
Yeah, of
Fall in love.